Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials done now. Unlock the Motorola, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and open settings. Next, tap Accounts, then Add Account and choose Google. Sign in with your Gmail credentials. Once signed in, you'll see a list of sync options. Flip the Contacts toggle on so your people will sync to the cloud. Make sure you use the correct Gmail account if you have multiple accounts, and note that initial sync may take a few minutes. Once done with sign in, go back into Settings and tap Accounts, then choose Google and your Gmail address to access account sync. You'll see contacts listed. Toggle it on, and then hit the three-dot menu or Sync Now to trigger an immediate sync. Make sure the Contacts app displays contacts from your Gmail account by opening Contacts, tapping Menu, and selecting Contacts to display. Also set your default save location to Gmail. To finish, open the Contacts app and confirm your Gmail contacts appear and recent edits are present. That proves sync completed. If they haven't shown up, go back to Account Sync and tap Sync Now, then reboot the phone. If problems persist, clear the Contacts storage cache in Settings, right arrow Apps, re-sign into Google, and confirm you completed any two-factor prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see nothing, check that Contacts Sync is allowed on mobile data and that no battery saver is blocking background sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.